Welcome. I am TBI Journey. Today we are meal prepping. I am making a simple pizza, so stay tuned for the recipe. I didn't talk much, so please enjoy the music. After adding all the seasonings to the pan, make sure that you mix everything up to incorporate it into the veggies. As you continue this process, make sure that the veggies are pretty liquid free and dry in appearance. So this is where it becomes obvious, where I realized I shouldn't have added those herbs. I changed gears last minute and decided to make a cowboy pizza. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I've always been told it's called a cowboy pizza. In this particular video, I was just using ingredients I had on hand. By all means, please use whatever suits you. I actually put honey barbecue in here, and if that's not your jam, then go ahead and use what suits you best. And if you don't even want a cowboy pizza, you don't even have to. But I'm just using up the ingredients I had that needed to be used up. In the oven, I didn't really show it all that great through the whole entire video, but I'm heating the oven as per the packaging of the crust that I'm using for the bottom of the pizza. I'm now realizing that I made a mistake and didn't include my step-by-step process like I did before. So check my community tab for the step-by-step instructions to how I completed this dinner. This step right here that I'm about to do is an optional step. It's not necessary if you don't choose to do it. So with these peppers, I put a PSA warning. See if you can find it. I really would use that advice. this realistically was the worst part of the entire video. I did include that at the very end, so stay tuned if you want to see that. At this point, I'm feeling a little bit like Henny Penny. I've cooked everything up and now it's time to sit down and taste it. And the pizza actually held up really well. I was really impressed. The crust didn't crack until I put it in my mouth. I will agree that it probably would have been a 10 out of 10 if I didn't put those herbs in it. So that's kind of part of my reaction, was like, eh. But I ate it. And I did 2 bites of it. Now let's go ahead and move on to the garlic toast grilled cheese that I made. And I stuck it in my mouth and I tasted it, and like, this blew my mind. I mean, it absolutely blew my mind. I've never had grilled cheese like this before, but oh my god, it was delicious. It was absolutely amazing. It was perfect, 10 out of 10. I'd totally recommend making that. Going ahead and popping the last of it in there, I don't know what to say. It was amazing, perfect. But sadly, it was difficult, so comment down below. I got a mouthful of food. Not polite to say so. Bye. And so with a mouthful of food, we've come to the end of the video. If you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Bye. As promised, next up. Excellent proof I'm no lefty.